how to use bet365's statistics and betting insights. Now, bet365 provides detailed statistics and betting insights to help users make informed betting decisions. In order to view these features and access them effectively, launch the bet365 app and then make sure that you log into your account. Now, what you want to do is you can simply navigate to your chosen sport by going to all sports and then selecting a certain sport over here. You can click on a match that you're interested in, and then you can simply look for a graph or a chart over here because you'll be able to see many information regarding that particular match. For example, you can see the popular one, you can see same game parlay, you can see player props, you can see main props, team props, quarter props, and all the other different sort of options. There are many information that you can find. For example, if it is a certain game, it also depends upon the game, such as football, tennis, horse racing, and so on. If you want, you can also actually go to live in-game, and then you'll be able to view the live stats of players, of the possession percentage, the shots in target, just based on the game. So these are the ways on how you can use bet365 statistics and betting insights. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.